If you are wondering what is the green flashing light or green flickering light that sometimes starts flicking over here at the back of the Redmi Watch 6, then the answer is very simple. So these lights are used, for example, to detect if the watch is being worn on a wrist. Of course, some features might work properly, especially if you have your watch on your wrist, and they can be used in order to, track a couple of different things, like, for example, your heart rate, maybe your sleep quality, your workout progress, and so on and so forth, or even count steps, of course. So many different features are, of course, synchronized with this light, or this light is helping all of these data to be collected. And then, of course, you can take a look at that data later on your watch. Now, there is also a chance that this light is going to keep flickering even if you don't have your watch on the wrist. And this usually might mean that something is trying to collect the data. For example, maybe a workout is being active or stuff like that. So, of course, then at that point, the flashing light might still be there. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.